Hello, we are at 1605 Clay Street, and this is apartment 6. Right when you come in the front door of the apartment, come into the open concept living room, kitchen. It's got a great pass through between the kitchen and the living room. Corner unit, gets nice light. Electric wall mounted heater. There's the electrical panel for the unit. Looking back at the entry foyer. Here off of the entry is the washer dryer. Okay, stacked washer dryer. Have a lovely updated bathroom. Tile floor in here. This cabinet has an on-demand hot water system, endless hot water. Okay, white subway tile, a couple of drawers for storage there underneath the bathroom sink, and matching white subway tile here in the shower enclosure with a rain shower shower head. Here is the thermostat to control both the living room heater and the heater that you'll see in the bedroom. First, we have the updated kitchen. Beautiful butcher block countertops. Plenty of white cabinets. Have a double farm style sink. Dishwasher. There is a disposal. And here we are looking through the pass-through towards the living room. Microwave, glass top electric stove, and a European style fridge with the freezer on the bottom. Okay, coming into the bedroom. Beautiful crown molding detail here in the bedroom. I'd say you could do a queen size bed or a full size bed comfortably in this bedroom. There's the wall mounted heater for this room. Okay, closet, sliding closet door. And there is a ledge above as well. The unit has beautiful original softwood floors throughout. This building does have a bicycle storage room down in the basement, so each unit can put a couple of bikes. And a wonderful central location. Thanks so much for watching. This has been 1605 Clay, Apartment 6.